This customer contacted us and said he wants his car wrapped, and we've done his G63 before, and we didn't put it on YouTube because he thought the car wasn't cool enough. I said that's not the case. He bought us this Aventador. The reason why this car came here is because his kid really loves our channel. He said, and the only way that this car can get on YouTube is if he brought a cool car to us. So he brought the Aventador in. We're gonna do satin black with gems. Can't wait for you guys to see this project.
I don't think that's the right person to drive this car.
What is this? What is what? Porsche. What the f is that?
It was on
it.
Huh?
It didn't manipulate.
That's what was on it? You wouldn't mess up like that. That might be on it. It was Porsche on it?
Yeah, but we haven't done a Porsche.
Well, no, but yeah. He's saying that's how it came.
Maybe that's how it came. No, it looks like it's all rusted. It's been there.
Yeah, I think he's not lying.
Well, the guy watches our YouTube channel. Did you leave this like this?
I guess Porsche and Lamborghini parts are interchangeable.
He probably has 4 other Porsches, so he probably messed up, the guy.
Yeah, Sark is supposed to start this?
Yeah.
No. So you go tell your mechanic to do.
He's always trying to take the easy way out.
Yeah, he is. I don't know. He just sits on the office.
Stayed home. He stayed home.
This guy, every time the parts come, he never checks. He's like, yeah, it's dealer. That's it. I always check all my parts.
You always order the parts right.
Exactly. No, we just order from the same place.
That's because
and
I
you
always
order all the parts that
I don't check on my work because it's always right. He has to check on his work because it's always wrong.
How many times did you mess up on the parts?
He sits 20 hours a day, and there's only 9 hours a day.
So
Who sits down more, me or him? Honestly, who walks more?
No, he said he walks more.
Huh?
He walks more.
Sarkis walks more?
Yeah. To hide from everybody.
And this is the bottom as work.
It's not a big deal. Taking plastic off. My grandma can do that too.
Moses, you never check the parts. You have to. Doesn't matter it comes from a dealer. You still have to.
Guys, a quick little Cullinan. This one came in a few hours ago to get RDB 24-inch wheels. These are our RDB2 wheels. It has 45 spokes in the 24-inch configuration. This car, other than that, is bone stock Cullinan with 24-inch wheels. Looks incredible, brushed silver. So if you guys want to get any Cullinan wheels, Rolls-Royce wheels, whatever, you know where to call. RDB wheels. We ship worldwide, whatever you want. The proper fitments for all of them. We are doing 3 more Cullinans with RDB wheels in the next week or so. So a lot of Cullinans, but yeah, just a quick little modification. Look at this. This part right here is going on the Mclaren 720S we're working on. The Fistro blue color that's getting all those carbon fiber parts. You guys saw us post about the Widebody 720, that carbon fiber one, really sick. This actually goes on the back bumper on the side. It's basically the Widebody version, but we're not doing Widebody on this car. So 1016 went ahead and made the same thing from the outside, but cut out the back of it since we're not doing the Widebody. They also 3D printed little brackets to mount that onto the regular bumper. However, when you 3D print stuff, it gets all these lines. So Luis over here modified it. He molded it onto there, bondoing it right now so it's all smooth, and we're gonna paint it so it all looks amazing when we install it. We didn't have to go this extra step. We don't have time. We're literally painting the car right now.
Who tell me how to do that?
How you do that?
Yeah, who tell me how to do that?
I did, of course.
Yeah, exactly.
So
I
as
give you-
usual,
this time I give you the credit.
as usual, I'm the fuel to his body because without me, he'll be gassed out
You
and he can't do
deserve
anything.
it. Today, you deserve it.
But you don't because you were working on this for 8 hours.
More than that.
Yeah. He almost quit today. So,
Yeah,
so
he make-
basically,
This guy made me. Give
so
me
that's
a
both sides. These are gonna go on the sides. That McLaren's gonna be really, really sick when we're done with it. It's going on Gold Rush Rally, so it's gonna be really dope. Stay tuned for that. And we have this orange Corvette we're gonna talk about soon.
Ah, look, this piece is really. Sorry for the word. But this piece is very hard to. Hey, give me 1 more hour. So for make this guy tell me how to do that. This guy over here.
Okay,
But
good
he coming every 5 minutes. He's ready. He's ready. He's ready.
Yeah,
he's
because
ready.
the car is about to get painted and it has to
I
leave
think-
tomorrow. So
I
hurry
think
up.
this time you exercise you did today over here. You don't go to the gym anymore. Look at it. Yeah, it's like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are having a little bit of fun in the paint booth. This is a carbon fiber roof that we do not need, so we're practicing on it. This is Fistro Blue from McLaren. As you can see, it's fading into carbon. This is a full carbon roof panel that we are experimenting because we are currently doing this really one-off crazy McLaren 720 project, and the customer wants to do a fade paint job on it, not wrap. So we're experimenting right now. It's a much difficult process, much more difficult than a wrap. This is using hand technique manually and getting it the right way. As you can see, this looks pretty good for a fade. We could get it a little bit more or less. Right now we're gonna shoot clear coat on it and to see how it looks sealed up and clear, and see if we're gonna do this project with the fade or not. So hopefully it works out and we could do it. This would be a pretty cool project that is, you know, using manual paint fade process. So let's see how it comes out.
Don't do that, Moses.
Moses is trying to tell Joe not to include that footage of him throwing a pen at this nice man's head. He comes here, works very hard, and Moses abuses him. As you guys can see, who's the real bully here? Moses.
Hold on. Come sit in front of the camera. Say you're not angry. Come on. Say you're not mad. You're not mad. Come on.
Running away from Moses. Look how scared he is that he ran away from Moses right now. That's years of abuse by Moses.
Hey, if you put that, you're dead. Don't do that one. No, it's not. It's not good. Because don't do that.
Don't do that. He's coming. Mine is not my car to me. Can you come here?
He's still throwing pens at it. He's still throwing pens. You just abused him.
That's our friend. He likes joking with. That's bad. No, you can't put that on camera. I'd rather like.
Why? He can put me doing bad things on. What about you?
No, you can't do that. That's
Okay,
bad.
fine.
You can't do that.
There's two options for you. One, he won't put the footage of you throwing the pen, but he's gonna put the footage of you begging not to put this stuff.
Hey, that's worse.
You know what's really messed up? You know what's messed up? He's gonna put all of it.
All right, guys, you saw us receive this orange C8 Corvette convertible right here. We talked a little bit about it being a wide body kit. We finally received the body kit. This is the first one in the world with this body kit. It's called Segala. We were going to do the Rocket Bunny design on it, but we wanted to go a little bit more cleaner, fully mold on kit. There's no bolts. There's none of those excessive bolts and stuff like that. It's gonna be all molded, very, very clean. A lot of parts, however, we're looking at it now. There's a box full of parts still behind me. Some of it we took off. We're still trying to figure out what goes where. It's a little bit complicated, but yeah, we're getting the idea right now. As you can see, the hood is on there. Well, it's on top of the original hood. That's why it's poking out, but that hood looks amazing. It's got two different spoilers underneath the front bumper. The bumper extension is on there, as you can see, taped on there for now. The fender is next to it. I'm gonna hold it next to that so that you guys get the idea. So as you can see, this is gonna go right there. It's a full fender replacement, has fins. This is gonna look really, really sick on this car. As usual, we're gonna have to fix a lot of issues on the material. All body kits, you generally have to do some modifications to make it fit, to make it look good and all that. So we're gonna be doing that. Most of the time is gonna go into that prep work. I believe one side skirt sitting here, there's like 2-3 pieces that go underneath. This is actually the quarter panel. This thing is a full replacement as well. So the quarter panel is gonna come off, and then this is gonna go on there. As you can see, it goes right over there. It's almost got a stock design to it, just wider. The rear bumper extension is on there, as you can see. The rear bumper extension. The rear bumper is off the car right now. We took it off because we're starting to prep actually. But yeah, as you can see, this is gonna go molded onto the rear bumper. We got 2 little spoilers on the back and the big diffuser. So it's gonna look incredible when we're done. This is gonna be a fully molded, super clean style wide body on the C8 that nobody's done before. And it's convertible, and it's this Sebring orange color, which is incredible with that tan interior. Very, very excited about the C8 build. It's right up my alley. It's gonna get some outrageous RDB wheels as well. We're gonna be measuring that up. Custom RDB wheels going on there too, wide as hell. So this is gonna take about a month to do. It's a lot of work. Stay watching and see the progress on the C8.